Hey everyone, welcome back to Native English Skills. I'm Emily.
And I'm Michael. It's great to have you here.
Michael, I have a question for you.
Okay, should I be worried?
Maybe.
That doesn't sound good.
When you speak English, do you ever think in your first language first?
Oh, definitely.
And then translate your sentence into English?
Yes, all the time.
Even now?
No.
Really?
Okay, maybe.
Exactly. And that's what we're talking about today.
How to stop translating everything in your head and start thinking more naturally in English.
Because you might know a lot of English words.
You might understand movies, podcasts, and conversations.
But when someone asks you a simple question, your brain suddenly says,
Please wait, I need to translate this.
Exactly.
And by the time you finish translating, the conversation has already moved on.
That can be frustrating.
Very frustrating.
But don't worry, today isn't a grammar lesson.
And there's no test.
We're just going to have a relaxed conversation about how you can train your brain to use English more naturally.
So get comfortable.
Grab a coffee, tea, or whatever you like.
And just listen.
You don't have to understand every word.
Just let your brain get used to English.
So, Michael, why do you think people translate so much?
I think it's because translation feels safe.
What do you mean?
When you're learning a new language, your first language is comfortable.
Right.
You already know how to think in it.
So when you want to say something in English, your brain starts with a sentence you already know in your own language.
Then it looks for English words.
And changes the sentence.
Exactly.
For example, imagine you want to say, I'm hungry.
That's easy.
Right, but a beginner might think of the idea in their first language first.
Then translate it.
Then check the grammar.
Then think about pronunciation.
Then finally say, I'm hungry.
By that time, they're probably very hungry.
Exactly.
But here's the important thing.
What?
You don't need to translate simple ideas.
Right.
If you see a cup of coffee, you can think coffee.
You don't need to think of the word in your first language and then translate it.
If you're tired, think I'm tired.
If you want water, think I need some water.
If you're leaving home, think I'm going out.
These small thoughts can become automatic.
And that's the real goal.
Not translating faster.
But needing less translation.
Let's imagine your morning.
Okay.
You wake up.
I'm already tired.
Michael!
What? It's realistic.
Okay, you wake up and you look at your phone.
I check the time.
What can you think in English?
It's 7 o'clock.
Good.
I need to get up.
Good.
I'm still tired.
Exactly.
Then I go to the bathroom.
What can you think?
I need to brush my teeth.
Then?
I need a shower.
Then you go to the kitchen.
I'm hungry.
You make breakfast.
I'm making coffee.
You look outside.
It's sunny today.
See what we're doing?
We're turning everyday life into English practice.
Exactly.
And you don't need a textbook.
You don't need a classroom.
You just need your normal life.
That's one of the easiest ways to start thinking in English. But Emily, what if someone doesn't know enough English words? That's a great question.
Because sometimes I know what I want to say, but I don't know the English word.
That happens to everyone.
So what should you do?
Don't immediately go back to your first language.
Then what?
Try to explain the idea using simple English.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Imagine you don't know the word umbrella.
Okay.
You want to talk about it, but you forgot the word.
I could say, the thing you use when it's raining.
Exactly.
That works.
Maybe your sentence isn't perfect,
But the other person understands.
and that's what matters.
So instead of thinking, oh no, I don't know this word,
You can think, how can I explain it?
that's a big difference.
Very big.
Let me try one.
Go ahead.
I forgot the word for refrigerator.
Okay,
The big cold machine in the kitchen where you keep food.
perfect.
I know the word, actually.
I know.
I was just showing off.
Very impressive.
Thank you.
But seriously, this skill is powerful.
Because you're training your brain to stay in English.
Exactly.
You're not running back to your first language every time you have a problem.
You're finding another way to communicate. Another important thing is using simple sentences.
I agree.
A lot of English learners try to sound advanced.
They want to use big words,
Long sentences,
complicated expressions.
but that can make speaking much harder.
Sometimes simple English sounds more natural.
Exactly.
Instead of saying, I am experiencing an extremely high level of fatigue,
You can simply say, I'm really tired.
much easier.
Instead of saying, I am unable to comprehend what you are saying.
You can say, I don't understand,
Exactly.
instead of, I would like to consume some food.
Please don't say that.
Why?
Because you sound like a robot.
Okay,
Just say, I'm hungry.
much better.
When you think in English, think simply.
You don't need to create beautiful sentences in your head.
You just need to communicate the idea.
That makes speaking much faster.
There's another problem I have.
What is it?
Sometimes I know the sentence, but I'm afraid I'll make a mistake.
That's very common.
So I stop and think.
And then?
I think about the grammar
And that slows you down.
a lot.
Here's something I want English learners to remember.
What?
You don't need perfect English to have a conversation.
Absolutely.
Native speakers make mistakes too.
All the time.
They forget words.
They change their sentences halfway through.
They say,
Or, you know.
or what's the word?
Exactly.
Real conversation isn't perfect.
So if you're waiting for perfect English before you speak,
You might be waiting forever.
that's true.
Speak with the English you have today.
Then improve it tomorrow.
That's a much better approach.
Okay, Emily, let's talk about something practical.
Sure.
What can someone do every day to train their brain to think in English?
I have a simple idea.
What is it?
Talk to yourself.
Talk to myself?
Yes.
That sounds a little strange.
Maybe.
People might think I'm crazy.
You don't have to talk loudly.
Good.
You can talk silently in your head.
Okay.
When you're getting ready, describe what you're doing.
I'm getting dressed.
Exactly.
I need to find my keys.
Good.
Where are my keys?
Perfect.
I'm running late.
Exactly.
That's actually easy.
And you can do it anywhere.
At home,
At work,
while shopping,
while walking,
on the bus.
even while cooking.
I'm cutting vegetables.
I need more salt.
This smells really good.
Exactly.
I like this method
Why?
because it doesn't feel like studying.
That's the point.
You're just using English.
And the more you use it, the more automatic it becomes. There's another thing you can do.
What?
Change the language of small parts of your daily life.
What do you mean?
For example, set your phone to English.
That's a good idea.
Use English subtitles when you watch something.
Instead of subtitles in your first language.
Exactly.
Read short English posts,
Listen to English podcasts.
like this one.
Exactly.
Very convenient.
You can also write your shopping list in English.
Milk.
Bread,
Eggs.
coffee.
Chocolate.
Is chocolate really necessary?
Absolutely.
Okay. You can also write a short note about your day. Just 2 or 3 sentences.
I had a busy day.
I went to work.
I talked to my friend.
I'm tired, but I feel good.
That's enough.
You don't need to write an entire essay.
Small practice every day is better than one huge study session once a month.
Exactly.
Emily, what about watching movies? Great idea.
Should learners watch with subtitles?
Yes, but I would use English subtitles when possible.
Why English subtitles?
Because you can hear the sentence and see the words at the same time.
That helps connect the sound with the meaning.
Exactly.
What if you don't understand everything?
That's okay.
Really?
Yes,
Even if I understand only 70%?
that's still useful.
What about 50%?
Maybe choose something easier. Fair enough.
The goal isn't to understand every word.
The goal is to get used to hearing English.
Exactly.
And over time, your brain starts recognizing common expressions.
Right.
Like, what are you up to?
Or give me a second.
I'm not sure.
That sounds good.
Let me think.
These phrases become familiar.
And eventually, you don't translate them.
Exactly.
You just understand them.
That's what we want.
Let's talk about one of my favorite ways to practice.
What's that?
Think in English when you're doing boring things.
Boring things?
Yes.
Like what?
Waiting in line,
Okay,
waiting for the bus,
right.
cleaning your room,
Definitely boring.
doing the dishes.
Very boring.
These moments are perfect
Why?
because you have time.
You're not busy with a conversation.
Exactly.
So what should I think about?
Look around you.
Okay.
If you're in a supermarket, describe what you see.
There are a lot of people here.
Good.
I need to buy some milk.
Good.
That person has a very big shopping cart.
Perfect.
I think the line is too long.
Exactly.
That's surprisingly easy
And it trains your brain.
because you're connecting real life directly to English.
Yes.
But I think there's one more important thing.
What?
Don't translate every word when you're listening.
Yes.
That's a big problem.
Some learners hear a sentence and try to translate every single word.
And then they lose the meaning of the whole sentence.
Exactly.
Instead, try to understand the general idea.
For example, if I say, I'm running a little late,
You don't need to translate each word.
You can simply understand she's going to be late.
Exactly.
If I say, I'm just about to leave.
Understand the idea. She's leaving very soon.
Right.
That's how natural listening works.
You don't stop after every sentence and translate.
You listen for meaning.
And slowly, your brain becomes faster.
So, Emily, how long does it take to start thinking in English?
That depends on the person.
Oh, that's not the answer I wanted.
sorry.
I wanted 7 days.
No.
3 easy steps.
No.
Think in English while you sleep.
Definitely no.
Okay,
It takes practice.
fair.
But you don't need hours every day.
That's good news.
Start with 5 or 10 minutes.
Every day?
Yes.
That sounds manageable.
Think about what you're doing.
Describe your day.
Listen to English.
Read something short,
And speak whenever you can,
even if you make mistakes.
especially if you make mistakes.
Why especially?
Because mistakes show you where you need more practice.
That's true.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Use them
Learn from them.
and keep going.
Okay, Michael, I want to give our listeners a little challenge.
I like challenges.
For the next 5 minutes, try not to translate.
Just think in English.
Look around you.
What do you see?
Maybe you see a chair,
A table.
a window.
A phone.
Think of the English words directly.
Now think about what you're doing.
I'm sitting.
I'm listening.
I'm learning English.
I'm drinking coffee.
I'm feeling tired.
I'm having a good day.
Keep it simple.
You don't need difficult words.
You don't need perfect sentences.
Just keep your thoughts in English.
And if you forget a word,
Explain it another way.
exactly.
If you make a mistake,
Keep going.
if you don't understand something,
Listen again.
and if you feel nervous,
Take a breath and try again.
Emily, I think we've learned something important today.
What's that?
Thinking in English isn't something you suddenly learn one day.
Exactly.
It's a habit,
You build it slowly.
a little every day.
Start with simple thoughts.
I'm hungry.
I'm tired.
I need coffee.
That one is very important.
Very important.
Then describe your day.
I'm going to work.
I'm waiting for the bus.
I'm talking to my friend.
I'm going home.
And gradually, you can think about bigger things.
Your plans.
Your opinions.
Your feelings.
Your dreams.
And eventually, English becomes less like a subject you study.
And more like a language you actually use.
That's the goal.
Not perfect English.
Natural English.
Confident English.
English that comes to you more easily.
before we finish, let's ask you a few questions.
Think about your answers in English.
What did you do this morning?
What are you doing right now?
What are you going to do tomorrow?
What is something you enjoy doing?
What is something that makes you happy?
What are you worried about?
And what is one thing you want to improve this year?
Don't translate your answers,
Just use simple English.
even if your answer is short.
That's completely fine.
For example, I want to improve my English,
Simple.
but powerful.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
We hope you now have a better idea of how to train your brain to think in English.
Remember, don't wait until your English is perfect.
Start with the English you already know.
Use simple sentences.
Describe your everyday life.
Listen to English regularly.
Talk to yourself.
And when you don't know a word, explain the idea another way.
Most importantly, stop worrying about every little mistake.
Your brain needs practice, not perfection.
And if you enjoyed today's conversation, tell us in the comments, what is one thing you are going to start doing to think more in English?
Maybe you'll start talking to yourself in English.
Maybe you'll change your phone to English.
Maybe you'll listen to an English podcast every morning.
Or maybe you'll stop translating every sentence.
Whatever you choose, start small.
And keep going.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, share it with a friend who is learning English, and subscribe to Native English Skills.
Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing.
Keep thinking in English.
And most importantly,
Keep speaking.
see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.